Here's what's new in aXcelerate.
Agreements can now be automatically issued via workflow for class enrollments. This helps to automate and streamline the document signing process by sending agreements based on events such as an enrollment or status change. You can now add notes to group workshops to help track relevant information from multiple workshops at once. We've made improvements to our reporting system, including adding a new units report and several new fields and filters to the class enrollments and certificate register reports.
Check out our Help and Support Center to read our full release notes for this month.